Hello everyone, welcome back to what I believe is now the fourth installment of the Rogues Revisited series, and in this one we're going to be taking a look at a rogue with the name Antivirus. Now there's actually a couple of rogues with the name Antivirus, and I will be covering the other one that I can think of in the future, but this one has been dubbed Anvi by the community. So Anvi is actually a decent looking antivirus, and it's got a couple of interesting things about it. So without any further ado, let's just open it on up here. And we can see it's trying to copy the ESET like I thing. And we can see it's immediately starting to scan, and it's going to find some threats. And we can see that our computer's not protected. Is it going to find some threats? Yeah, okay. So let's just see what it finds. Okay, so the scan actually finished very quickly, and we've got activation required. Please activate your copy. Important notice, it's required to activate. And you can see all the stuff it's found. It's found Netski, it's found Gay Codec Look Alert, DipNet, MyTob, Perversion, Agent, Rootkit. It's found GP Code and Web Search Win32. So let's just leave that for now. Yeah, so it's found 11 detections. It's doing its thing. It's being all nice. I have to say, and you could tell me I'm wrong in the comments for this, but this is actually one of the nicest looking rogues I think I've seen. I actually really enjoy the Windows Vista sort of aesthetic that this has. Windows Vista sort of Windows 7, like turn of 2010 aesthetic that this has. This is actually really good. So anyway, let's have a look. So we've got firewall, and apparently it's on. Apparently the firewall's running. We've got the advanced cleaner where we can look at the auto runs. We can see the system cleaner, and we'll, yeah, sure, do all that stuff. And apparently it is doing this stuff. I don't know. The only one that I can check really easily is the start run finished. So if we open up run, we can see actually, yeah, this should have, I believe, temp in here. So it did actually do that, which is really actually sort of impressive for one of these fake programs. So we can check for updates, and can we check for updates? No, this feature is not available for demo users. Please upgrade to full functional version and get full proactive protection. And why should we upgrade? Well, get full virus protection of your PC, get free lifetime automatic updates, get full memory cookies scan modules activated, and get access to 24/7 live customer support. Upgrade to a full version of a highly effective antivirus software and get access to a variety of tools that can be used to prevent, identify, and remove malicious software from your PC. So, sort of English second language vibes aside, I really like the design of this. So let's just go cancel, and settings, we can't disable the threat warning. So let's go get some help and support, and this is where it gets funny. So we've got 404 not found for support. So, that's fine. We can close this. Let's buy it now. And we can see that the buy now page has been bought by somebody else. So we can't actually go back. It's interesting. So it refreshes apparently, but you can't go back. But that's okay. That's actually totally okay, because what I did was, before that page was hacked by Kevin, I actually purchased this fine piece of software. Oh, hold on. What do we got? Special offer, save over 30%, activate full functional version and get complete protection against today's evolving security threats. All-in-one security solution featuring PC security, transaction security, and PC tune-up, now available for you. And we got buy now with special discounts, and it is 5 stars on Softpedia, 100% clean, and PC Pro best value is a 1-day offer. So what I was about to say, I've missed out on this because I've already bought it. But before we activate it, let's check. Is it disabling Task Manager? No, it is not, actually. Which is interesting. It is not... Oh, hold on. Adware module detected on my PC. Zlob adware has been detected. This adware module advertises websites with explicit content. Be advised of such content being possibly illegal. Please click the button below to locate and remove, and I'm assuming, yeah, you have to buy it. And we will go to Google, and it works fine. I expected a redirect, although, you know, it's not going to redirect the searches, I don't think, just because this is such an old version, it's not even making it through. So does that happen every time? Yes, it does. We can ignore that. Can we open up command prompt? Yes. Can we open regedit? Yes. Let's restart and see if it does anything else that's interesting. And we're going to see if it's persistent on startup. I'm not sure, because I don't think this is like the full install. I think this is sort of just the Trojan. But yeah. So before we actually activate this program, let me show you how you find the key. And this was revealed years... Oh, it's got antivirus might be out of date. Now, this is interesting. So this program has actually registered itself as the Windows antivirus provider. So in here, if you had a legitimate antivirus like Kaspersky, AVG, Avast, ESET, whatever, it will say in here that this program is out of date or it's turned off or whatever. So it's interesting that some of these rogues, and it's not the first time I've seen this, have actually managed to go ahead and register themselves as the system's actual antivirus program. But anyway, let's open up Notepad. And RogueAmp showed this in his video on this years ago. But if we open this executable in Notepad, we will see how I managed to purchase this so many years after it's gone. So this is the standard sort of garbage text you would see when you open a compiled exe, but halfway down here you do see this this English version, or readable text. And if we search, we have this thing here. Your registration key is this. Please save it separately in case you need to reboot or reinstall. This is the last version, which doesn't work. You can also find this link in your software, and it puts this here as license.txt in whatever directory this is installed in. So for us, it should just drop it on the desktop. And this is your key in plain text. So it's generating this little text file, this message for you from the executable. So that's pretty stupid. Yeah, that's very dumb. So let's see if this works. We'll open up Anvi and we'll go, yeah, I've registered. And it detected it in the clipboard and just said, okay. And now if you open it, Antivirus has been successfully activated. Thanks for purchasing and registration Antivirus. All the necessary information will be sent to your email. Please save them into secure location in case you need to reinstall the software. Please, not please, just feel free to contact customer support service if you have any question. Useful advices from Antivirus team. Let's hear them. Scan your computer twice a day and remove all the viruses and security threats. Maximal protection of your computer is enabled only if you turn on all the security status services. Do not use antivirus together with other antivirus softwares. It may result in some software conflicts between them. If you have any question, please see help and support and contact customer support service. Okay. You can see it now says registered version down here. And this is what I was talking about earlier. This is the same string from the executable file, and it has dropped it in this license.txt right next to it, just like it said. It says you can also find this link in your software, and it says for urgent cases, please contact us on the phone at this long decrepit, I'm sure, 1866 number. And it's going to do the scan. Can we actually remove the threats this time? So we get virus removal, please wait. And thank God it has deleted gay codec look alert. And it's deleting whatever. It's just deleting all the right stuff. All the stuff we don't want on our computer, it is going ahead and deleting that for us. Okay, so it says some viruses will be removed after system reboot. Please save all your open files and documents before clicking OK. Click OK to restart your computer now. Now we can also see no firewall is turned on, which is very strange. I don't know why this program has turned off the Windows firewall, but whatever. And also, interestingly, we see that the virus protection category, and yes, this is the legitimate Windows Security Center, now reports that it is up to date and virus scanning is on. So we're all good here. And if we press OK, the computer will reboot. And with that, that is about it for Anvi. Hopefully, I will see you in the next video.